Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily replace your battery in your Mercedes key. So first you need just to click here, so just slide, and after you can also get your key here. So now you just need to uh, with your key just press your key here, and when you do it you just unlock this slot with your battery, and you can also just get it. So here you can see your battery, so you just get your battery from this place and just replace to new battery. And after you do it you just get it back, and just get your key, and after everything will works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.